Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to check in your attendees using your mobile application. This video already assumes that you know how to list your first event and generate PDF tickets. If you don't know yet, feel free to check the description of this video and find MyTicket listing your first event how to guide. Let's start. The first thing you need to do is to download MyTicket Scanner application. You can find this in Play Market and download to your Android device. Immediately after the application is installed, you are able to use it and scan your tickets. I'm simply pointing my device to scan the QR code of an individual ticket, and what I see is that all the details that are available in the ticket are also available in the mobile application. Here I can simply click on check-in button to validate and check in my attendee. This information will be automatically synced with your MyTicket Cloud dashboard. When I'm scanning the QR code of the general ticket, I have all the information of all attendees present on my screen. So their email address and all these custom fields that come with this ticket. So when I go to Kenzap Cloud and MyTicket extension, then I go to the bookings menu, I can see that all three attendees are checked in. Another really interesting feature that I want to mention is that MyTicket Scanner application supports custom fields. For example, when you are creating your seating chart, you can assign custom checkout fields to each zone. So now I'm adding a new checkout field called gate. So when I'm adding this custom field, it will be available for all other zones within the seating chart, but the value for this particular custom field can be different, so that each individual zone has its own value for this custom field. So in this case, I'm typing A2 and I'm hitting apply. If I hit on zone B, I can type B2 and apply. So next time when your users will book the ticket, this information will be listed in the mobile application automatically. And finally, you might be wondering if anyone can download this application from the Play Market, then anyone can check in the status of their own ticket. For that particular purpose, there is additional security feature available for this solution. Go to your application and click on three dots menu that is available in the top right corner of your mobile screen. Then hit on settings, scroll a little bit down, and there you're going to see the ID of this device. So you need to copy this ID into your cloud dashboard settings. Let's go to MyTicket extension again, then hit on settings, then find the scanner setting options, and where access is written, enable the restrict access checkbox, and then simply copy your application ID and save the changes. I made a small mistake on purpose to show you what actually happens when the device is not properly added to the list. So when I'm scanning the QR code, you can see the notification in your app that you are not authorized to scan this ticket. So I hope this guide was useful, and hit like and subscribe to our channel, and happy scanning your attendees to your events. See you in the next episodes of other guides.